Alright guys, check it out. So yesterday I got my largest paycheck working from home for 1 week that I have never gotten since I built the company. And so what I'm going to do for you guys now is I'm going to log into my back office and my bank account and show you how much I was paid yesterday. Again, that's for 1 week work. Always remember, again, if you want more information, you have to comment info below, like this video, and share this video, and then I'm going to go ahead and send you the information that you need. Again, that's $7,538. Alright, that's what I was paid all last month. Alright, now I'm going to do for you about my bank account and show you the same thing. Alright, see the deposit yesterday. $7,538. Alright. Same deposit. Okay. So if you want more information, you need to do me a favor, like this video, share this video, and comment info below for more information. Alright, so I'm here at the bank in South Beach, Bank of America. Let's go in and make a withdrawal. Yeah, envelope. As you see it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7,500 some change. It's all there.
Couldn't even see myself. Okay, so it's Sunday. I'm trying to wait for Facebook to develop me an audience, but it's Sunday and people are probably doing stuff, so I'm happy just to talk to myself. I know a lot of people will just come back and watch this whenever they have the time. So my question for you is, did you know you could be getting paid for being on social media? Because you're on social media right now and you could be making money. So if you're already on it, you might as well make money, right? That's what I said. And the opportunity that I'm presenting to you guys, I talk about it all the time, and I make lives and videos and I show you proof, and I talk about it. And today I just want to ask you, like, what would an extra $450 do for you and your family? So, sorry, it's really hard to like try to hold this and do this at the same time. I'm gonna put you down for just a second. Okay, so this is a little over $450, and I made this online. What we do is post ads, and when the ads generate sales, then the company pays, that's commission. So we get paid on Fridays, direct deposit, and it's pretty simple. Anyone can do what I do. You just have to be 18 there's no real requirements, so don't worry if you don't have a college degree or anything like that. Anyone can do what I do. You just have to apply the training and want it. So, I mean, if you don't post ads, then you're not going to make money, but it's not that hard. Like, I'm already on Facebook and other social media, and I just post ads, and when the ads make sales, then the company pays me commission. So, that being said, $450 is a good amount of money. So, at some of my old jobs, I couldn't even make this in a week. And if I did, I'd get taxes taken out. So, afterwards, it wasn't even, still wasn't. If it's $450, they're going to take a lot of taxes out. So, and a lot of people ask me, I'm going to cover that really quick. So, a lot of people ask me about the taxes. So, they're worried about, how to pay that at the end of the year. Guys, when you run your own business, you can write off so many things. So, all you have to do is have a good tax person who knows what they're talking about. And you can write off stuff like your cell phone bill and things that you use for your business. So, don't let that hold you back. Like, if that's the reason that you're not doing this, please don't let that hold you back. The thing is like, okay, you don't get taxes taken out every paycheck. So like when you work, other jobs, like a regular W-2, you're gonna get a lump sum taken out every paycheck. We don't do that, so we here you may go a little bit, and you may not. If you can write off. So don't be scared about that. I mean, if you want, please check that. Just put it back. If you're smart and you write down everything that you spend for your business at the end of the year and have a good tax person, then you're not going to owe like a crazy amount of money. So, I don't know, what else to say about that. I just get a lot of questions about it, so I'm not going to address it. So don't let that be a factor in why you're doing this. So, yeah, it's just a Sunday and I'm about to go hang out with my family. I gotta go grocery shopping. You just have to want to do it. And so if you are interested in starting doing what I'm doing, if you've been watching me for a while or if you're just joining me on my page, then all you have to do is just send me a message and I will send you everything you need to know to get started, and we'll go ahead and get you started training.